Today I'm going to talk about my favorite places, and I'd have to say the top two of my favorite places are Maui and Zion National Park. As you can see, they're two completely different areas that I love to visit. We have a warm climate over here with a little more humid, and we have a more dry, very hot climate over here at the Zion. First visit we're going to do is Zion National Park, and it's basically this popular trail that you could take through here. You could drive your car, park it here at Springdale or at the lodge, and you take a shuttle, and it lets you little spots where you could take different hiking trails, and it takes you all the way to the end about here. It's about an hour and a half shuttle ride, and along the way you can see different paths. I've also seen different animals. I've seen rams, turtles, lots of lizards and snakes. And when you enter the end, you'll end up right here, and it's called the Narrows. And as you can see, you can travel through the water. You'll make a little turn here, and right now the water looks pretty low, but right after the snow melts, the water rises, and it's a little harder and a little more scarier because you don't know when the water is going to be coming through or not. So you always take walking sticks, and it's very popular, and you want to try to get there as early as possible. There's also another trail that I enjoy taking, and it's a little more lush, that's up here. But if you wait longer in the day, there's no cover right here, so it can get very, very hot. I've taken my two boys and my nieces, and they're pretty good at making and completing the trail. My next favorite place is Maui. It consists more of a outdoor playground, has warm summer weather all year long, sandy beaches, and you're basically on island time. So you can relax, you can hike, you could just take a long walk along the beach right here. Everywhere it's just beautiful. And I try to go on the off season so it's not so busy. And those are my two favorite places. Thank you for watching.